Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind Plus Bagless Upright, UH70120. There's no loss of suction with Hoover patented wind tunnel technology that removes embedded dirt and minimizes scatter on carpet. Features include a powerful hand tool for precision cleaning, a rinseable filter, a HEPA filter, and onboard tools. It's everything you asked for and more. The features of Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind Plus Bagless Upright, UH70120. Lightweight upright vacuum cleaner with wind tunnel technology for consistent suction. 5-position height adjustment, 13.5-inch wide nozzle, no scuff bumper. 27-foot retractable power cord, rinse clean filter and permanent HEPA filter. Includes extension wand, crevice tool, upholstery, dusting brush, and powered hand tool. Product built to North American electrical standards. Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind Plus Bagless Upright, UH70120.